Hey everyone, Bizzi Art here. If you're new to origami and some of these terms are a bit confusing, I'll try and help you out here. So I'm just going to fold my paper in half and I'll help describe what a mountain fold is for you. So I'll just bring it up to the camera like so, and you'll find that it's a kind of triangular shape. That crease up at the top is what defines the mountain fold. Then for a valley fold, if I use that raw edge and fold it upwards like this changes the direction of the fold and it's in the shape of a V. So if it's pointing downwards, then you've got yourself a valley fold. I'll do the other side to help you out. So when I pick up my paper and open it out now, you've got a bit of a zigzag or like a W kind of shape. There's my mountain fold in the middle. And then the points at the bottom of the W are the valley folds. So they're in the shape of a V, if that makes sense. Hopefully this helps and you can enjoy your folding. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone, I'm Isabella. I'm the face behind the name of Bizzi Art. And I'd just like to say thank you to everyone watching and supporting this channel. I've made a lot of content and I also manage another channel with music and there's always something on there. It's really cool to see heaps of engagement and feedback and all kinds of things over on my other channel. So if you really liked watching this stuff here and you've been enjoying making all these things, hit the like button, and if you really love something you can always subscribe anytime. And I've always got my link for my website down below, so be sure to check that out if you're on the lookout for origami paper. Thank you for watching and I'll see you very soon.